This is the Phalanx PRT R3 Pro 3.7 volt rotary toolkit with a 280 motor in it. Came packaged great, arrived safely. If you're a DIY person like myself, a rotary tool is one of those items that you gotta have because you can use it on almost every project. So this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are gonna be my own. And inside the package, you are going to get the tool itself, which is about 7 inches long and a little over an inch wide. Weighs in at about 5 ounces. It's super lightweight, super easy to control. It's easy to hold it and use it like a pen, which is what I like to do. The cover is made of plastic, but I actually thought it was silicone at first because it has that type of feel to me anyway. Inside the package, you're going to get the instruction manual. You get 70 different accessories, this little kit right here. It also comes with about a 2-foot long Type-C charging cable because this is a rechargeable device. You recharge it right here. It has a built-in 2000 milliamp battery in there. I like that. No wires to plug in and get in the way. Inside this 70-piece kit here, got all kinds of stuff for sanding here. We got stuff for grinding. They've given us a wrench for the collet. We got some cutting blades, cut-off wheels. We have a series of felt wheels in here, and there's a mandrel in here for it somewhere. There we go. We got another collet in here. We have stuff for grinding and sharpening. There's a drill bit in here, sanding shanks, all kinds of stuff. It has an easy-to-read screen that shows you each of the 5 speeds you're currently on and the battery level, and I'll show you that. When you press and hold this button, it turns itself on. If it's been sitting for more than 5 minutes, it's going to start itself on speed number 3. If you've turned it off and used it at a certain speed and activated it again within 5 minutes, it'll start on whatever speed you left it on. So let's turn it on. You can hear how loud it is. It's not very loud at all. It has 5 speeds ranging from 5,000 RPMs on speed 1 all the way up to 20,000 RPMs on speed 5. We got speed 2 is 8,000, speed 3 is 12,000, speed 4 is 16,000, and there's your 20,000 on speed 5. And you've got your battery level right here that tells you where your level of charge is right there, which I think is pretty nice because you can see that and it's right out in front of you. One of the things I really like about this too is that there are 4 little lights that come on when you activate it. It makes it a lot easier to see what you're working on. That's pretty cool. So the lock button's right here. Just press it with your thumb and you can lock and unlock the collet. You can wrench it down with the wrench if you want. I'd actually bought some of these wire wheels to use with another project. Pretty standard, everything fits in there. Just press that to unlock it and pull your device out. Hold the lock, tighten it into place. I'm not gonna wrench it down. Throw one of these sanding discs on here. Anyway, it looks like a nice little rotary toolkit with everything you need to get started. It's easy to use, it's rechargeable, feels great in my hand. I like it.